Networking strategies for career success. In the fast-paced world we live in, building meaningful connections is crucial for career success. It's not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Networking goes beyond exchanging business cards or attending events. It's about creating genuine connections that can open doors, inspire collaborations, and propel your career to new heights. So, how can you effectively network to achieve career success? Here are some powerful strategies to consider. Strategy 1. Be genuine and authentic. Authenticity is key. Show genuine interest in others. Listen actively and be yourself. Building trust and forming authentic connections will set you apart. Strategy 2. Focus on building relationships, not just transactions. Networking is not about using others for personal gain. It's about cultivating relationships based on mutual respect, trust, and support. Seek to offer value and help others succeed. Strategy 3. Follow up and nurture connections. The real power of networking lies in the follow-up. Take the initiative to reach out, express gratitude, and find ways to stay connected. Nurture those relationships and keep them alive. Strategy 4. Share your knowledge and expertise. Position yourself as a valuable resource by sharing your knowledge and expertise. Offer to help others, contribute to discussions, and showcase your unique skills and insights. Strategy 5. Step out of your comfort zone. Networking can be intimidating, but growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Be willing to initiate conversations, attend events, and connect with professionals from diverse backgrounds. Strategy 6. Embrace technology and online networking. In today's digital age, online networking platforms offer endless opportunities. Embrace technology, build an online presence, and leverage social media to connect with professionals worldwide. Remember, networking is not just a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires dedication, patience, and perseverance. Subscribe to our Inspire to Thrive channel for more valuable tips, strategies, and inspiration to help you thrive in your career. Together, let's build a strong network that propels us towards career success. Networking is not just about making connections. It's about fostering meaningful relationships that can change our lives.